Check out the RAM. It's a Dell laptop. Let's see if I can find the number here. Dell Latitude E6330. E6330. But I'm sure they're all kind of the same. So I took off the battery, and then the RAM is underneath here. So I got to take off a couple screws here. Always strip the screws, that always helps. Boy, that's really tight. Don't want to come off. Great, great. When all fails, just pry it open with a screwdriver.
They don't want you to open it.
Well, I think you're supposed to take out the DVD, but you'd think that wouldn't be necessary. This is the hard drive here. But you wouldn't think that would be necessary to pull that out of there. I think the power has to be on to open it.
And you don't have the power on. You don't have any.
Because the battery's off.
Yeah.
But you think that wouldn't be necessary. Oh, I'm missing a screw here. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see it.
Well, it always helps if you wear your glasses.
Take the other screw out, you big dummy.
They put them in there pretty tight when you need pliers to turn the screwdriver to get them out.
Yeah, it's probably never been opened. Jeez. this side's loose, but this side isn't. So maybe that does have to come out. It looks like there's little clips here that fit down in here. Break the clips, then you don't have to worry about it next time. Maybe it slides over or something. It looks like there's just like 4 little clips in there.
It won't slide that way toward you.
See if I can see one of them. Two of them are up. It's the ones in the middle won't come up. You probably just got to put a little pressure on it. I'm scared I'm going to break them. Oh, I pushed on that little button there, and then it came out.
Oh.
So I don't know what that would be. Okay, so what I wanted to see was this here. See, there's 2 RAM things in here. Here's 1 and here's 2. So this laptop has 8 gigs of RAM. So I was hoping it was going to be 1, so I could just add another one. So I want to get the number off there. So all that just to get the number. So HP. Okay, so now we'll put it back together.
You remember how to put it back together.
Yep, just kind of snap it back in there. Clean off the dust. It seems pretty clean. Okay. Oh, that's the memory card. Oh, okay. I never put one in it. I never even noticed that there. So.
No, will it go back in there after you Get done there, put the memory card back in.
Yeah, that's just a blank memory card, just like a placeholder, fake one. And then this is the hard drive in case you wanted to put a bigger hard drive in it. Or what you could do is like get a second caddy, the case here, and put another hard drive in there and slip one in and out. There's 2 screws there that hold the hard drive in so it don't just fall out. And then this. So that must be what holds that in. See, that pops out when you push that, and then that stops it from sliding out. So that's probably what's going on there. Okay. Don't have to put the screws back in. It ain't gonna fall off. Right?
I don't know.
See, I was hoping I had one empty RAM spot so I could just buy one RAM stick and throw it in there. That's for the mouse. I always run the laptop with a mouse, a wireless mouse. Okay, I'm missing one here.
Why don't they put the numbers on the outside of it?
Yeah. Well, usually you don't have to mess with that. I just want to make it a little bigger. But it depends on how much it's going to cost. That's why I was thinking if I only had to add one, then it wouldn't cost that much. But I'd have to buy 2. See, both memory cards should be the same. I guess I could just buy one big one and pop it alongside the other one, but it's always better to have 2 of the same. So maybe I'll try it though. Just get one big one and pop it in there and see if I get error messages. I had a desktop PC years ago, an old one that I bought the RAM from a small computer shop, and the RAM sticks were different. I kept getting blue screens. I went back and I asked the tech, he said, that shouldn't make a difference. But as soon as I pulled the RAM out, then I quit getting the error messages. Okay. It still works. See ya. Bye.